In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a product feed into Google Merchant Center in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for anyone looking to integrate their e-commerce data with Google's powerful retail tools, which can help improve your product visibility online and drive more sales. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and type in www.google.com/retail. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the sign in option. Click on it and then make sure to select sign into Merchant Center. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for most of us it's a quick sign in. Once you're inside Google Merchant Center, navigate over to the left hand menu. Here you're going to find the Products tab. Hover over it and then select All Products. This section acts as a hub for every product you currently have listed or plan to list, making it an essential area for ongoing management and adjustments. Now look for the Add Products button. This is your gateway to putting new products out into the world. When you click on it, you'll have the option to select Add Another Product Source. This step is crucial because it allows you to start the setup process for a new product feed, a centralized mechanism that will keep your product information accurate and up to date. Proceed to the feed setup stage. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a few basic but essential parameters: the country where you plan to sell, the language in which your product details will be presented, and a name for your feed. Naming your feed something memorable and descriptive is advisable because it might save you confusion later if you're managing multiple feeds. Next up, it's time to choose how you'd like to upload your feed. Google provides several flexible options here depending on your needs and expertise. You could use Google Sheets, which involves filling out a specialized template, a great choice for those who prefer a more hands-on approach to data entry. Alternatively, you can upload a file directly, such as a .isv, .tsv, or .xml file, which is fantastic for those who are exporting data from another system. There's even an option to connect directly to a Shopify store or to add products using an API if you're technically inclined. Once you have selected your preferred method and have your data ready, you're all set for the final step. Simply click continue and make sure to save your configuration. By doing so, you ensure all your hard work is kept secure and your products are correctly set to appear on Google's platforms. And there you have it. You've just learned how to upload a product feed into Google Merchant Center. With your feed all set, you're now ready to harness the full potential of Google's e-commerce tools and reach a broader audience. Thanks for joining me today and happy selling.